Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get control feature on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android phone, and if you want to get the control feature on your Android, you have to install this application, Mi Control Center application, and I have already installed this application on my Android phone. If you haven't installed this application, you can go to your Play Store and you can search for the Mi Control Center. This one, guys, you just need to install it, and after you have installed this application, you can open the application. Okay, and here we have to give permission to the Mi Control Center app to access our dual SIM, Bluetooth, accessibility, and notification. And we just need to click on this toggle button to give the permission, like this, guys. Okay, and we have to go to the installed apps. Then we have to activate the permission for the Mi Control Center. Okay, and the last one, we're going to give permission to the Mi Control Center app to give us a notification. So we can click on this button, and then I'm going to activate the notification for Mi Control Center. Okay, now as you can see, guys, that the control center has been applied to this phone, and this is how the control center looks like. I'm just going to swipe down my screen like this, and this is the preview. And as you can see, we'll be able to access some features from this control center quickly. Alright guys, and that's how we can get a control center app on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.